Good morning everyone. I hope you all are well, and in this video I'm going to break down what's going on market and how we can plan the trades according to this market. So let's get begin. In BTC we can see daily time frame we can literally see BTC is creating new high. In 4 hour we can also see market is literally going upside and it's creating new higher higher and higher high. In 1 hour we can see these are the recent demands on where market is trying to go upside from this level. This is the demand zone, and in 30 minutes we can also see this is the demand zone, a little bit demand zone. In if you see in shorter time frame, these are all highs where market can come. If you have if you I don't think you can catch this, but let me show how we can trend. if market like if market do some break of structure of this, like this is new, a little bit like this side, literally this side, okay. Like if it comes like this, and you can plan from this is it's gonna be risky because not a clear demand zone is here, but you can trade from here in shorter time frame. You can plan for buying buy side from here, and if market comes like this, I'm this level and do some retracement, you can also plan for this. It's risky, it's gonna be risky, but you can plan for upside like this until unless it's creates some lower low, and some like literally create a lower low. Until then you can't trade for short trade because it's gonna be so risky, and market is literally bullish. So let's talk about what's going on gold. If we see in gold is also creating new highs. In 4 hour we can also see, in 1 hour we can also see, we can see these are some demand zone when market can come. If market come like this, if it comes like this, I don't prefer like this setups but that much because lots of liquidity is downside also. Let me show you like this, then you can plan for like this. Okay, these are the setups. For short term time you can scalp, but I don't prefer to trade this type of setup because lots of liquidity is down there also. So even market is bullish, but it's not a great setup. The great setup would be like this. The setups like this is one of the great setup. So not great setup, but it's a tag for a technical purpose. These are good setup. For scalping you can trade like this, okay. These are for gold. Let's talk about what's going on US oil. In US oil you can see these are the demand zone. I already marked this zone is demand, okay. So in 4 hour we can see demand zone already touched and market went up from this one, and you can also see market is done break of structure also, and this is recent demand zone. Whenever market comes like this, that's the demand zone, you can plan for upside. But risk management is important, okay. It's gonna be the good until you can target these are highs and upside. First target small highs, then you can target the other zones also. So these are for US oil. Let's talk about ZU. What's going on ZU? You can see in ZU these are supply level where market is going down, and these are liquidity or level. I already marked this zone, and this is also a breakup structure for downside, okay. These are supply level where market does, and market is going down. I already marked these zones where market is trying to go up, but market already been uh, open for some supply level. When market comes like this, these are now new supply zones. In 4 hour, in 1 hour you can see these zones. Whenever market comes like this, fill this gap, fill these gaps and do some retracement. You can go for downside ZU for ZU, and you can target the liquidities is downside in here. Like lots of liquidities in downside is in here. You can see lots of liquidities until unless it's do some like break of structure like this. You can't go for, you can in scale, but in a higher time frame perspective, you can't go for upside like this because lots of liquidities is down there. Okay, that's for ZU. Let's talk about USA. What's going on USA? Mm, In daily time frame, we can see these are the supply levels when markets went up, and we can also see the liquidity is in down there. But market is trying to for me, I was planning. These are also liquidity pools. This is liquidity pools, and this is lots of liquidities, and this is a demand zone. So market went for these zones. This is daily supply zone. If market do some like market is, these are a huge gap. I already marked these zones. Like if it comes like this, then you can plan for downside, but you have to wait for confirmation. This is for USA. I already marked this zone like this. So if this happen, then you can plan for short side for USA. ZZ, what's going on ZZ? So I would not recommend CZ right now because lots of gaps are available in down here. No, ZZ is not for like, for me. It's literally bad. I don't know what happened, and all ZPY pairs are literally went upside. I think something news happened or something happens. That's why this happened. So this is for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.